I'm Charlotte, and he's Emmet. Welcome to C&D Candy Corner Review. And today we're going to be reviewing these Boston baked beans. They're like candy-covered peanuts. So let's try them. I'm going to go because I do not like peanuts. That is the worst candy I've ever had in my life. That is so gross. How would anybody like those things? Okay. We're gonna end it. Bye. Have a sweet day, candy lovers.